Huzaifa Iqbal. The bank has started giving profit, not fixed amount, after a specific time on savings in the bank. Is it allowed for me to take and use that money from the bank? If we can't return them back, use of money? If you have put your money in Islamic bank, which is based on the Islamic Sharia, and if they give you a profit in the savings account, that is permissible. It is not dealing with riba. But if you are put in a conventional bank, which is based on riba and interest, taking such profit, if it's interest in the name of profit, is prohibited. So if it's a bank which is based on the Sharia principles, which is not dealing with riba, but on Islamic Sharia principle, the profit they give you, you can utilize it. If it's a conventional bank which is not based on the Islamic Sharia, it is mainly dealing with riba, then it's not permitted for you to have a profit which is from a riba. Another question from, again from the YouTube. Avazakon, Shav Kidino. Is it permissible to work in a bank if you are not in credit giving department? I am from Uzbekistan. Working in a conventional bank which deals with riba, which deals with interest, is haram in any position, in any designation, any post, irrespective whether if it's a conventional bank which deals with riba, whether it's a bank manager, whether it's an account manager or a clerk or accountant or the reception or credit department, debit department, even working as a watchman for a conventional bank which deals with riba is prohibited. You cannot work in a company whose basic activity is haram. So bank generally is haram. You cannot work in any post. If it's a hotel and the hotel is serving alcohol and the income from alcohol is only 2% or 3%, then you are not allowed to work in that portion of the five-star hotel which serves alcohol or the restaurant that serves alcohol. But otherwise, working in the reception or the other position which doesn't deal in the haram activity is permitted. If you're working for an Islamic bank based on the Sharia principle, which doesn't deal with riba, you can work in any position if it's an Islamic Sharia compliant bank. But if it's a conventional bank, you cannot work in that bank in any position, in any designation, irrespective whether it's involved with interest or not.